My name's Peter, and today we are gonna be cooking nachos. No, you're not. Mom, yes I am. Sorry, my mom thinks I'm a terrible cook, but I can actually be like a famous cooker. 'Cause you can't. Mom, get out. I'm doing my show. No. Leave. No. Fine, just stay there. But, so our first ingredient, I'm bored. Okay, then get out. No. Mom, just get out. If you're bored, go play a board game. Go play Life. That needs 2 people. I don't care. Just go do something. Ugh. Sorry, my mom's just a little harsh. You broke my leg. I don't care. Jeez. But today, we are going to be cooking nachos. So let's get started. I said, let's get started. First, you need a small, simple bowl. Ew, it's dirty. Oh well. First ingredient, you need mustard from Brahms. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, I have no idea how to open a mustard bottle. So, looks like it's a change of plan. Next is chocolate. So, this is way more easier than opening up a mustard bottle. So, maybe I need 2 hands to do this. There we go. Oh yeah. Okay, that's enough. Then you need lemon juice to give it that kapow taste. So, let's do this. Yeah. Don't put a lot in there. It'll give you a too kapow taste. Too much of a kapow taste. Then of course, everybody needs tartar sauce in their nachos. Of course. So, get the tartar sauce in there. It's not really coming out. So, this is not really working out, people. Sorry. Okay, so that's good enough. So, that's our stuff. Okay. So, what is that smell? What are you doing? Making nachos. That's not gonna be my nachos. I'd just like to see what that turns out to. Okay, but you can't interrupt. No. I'll pay you $20. No. 100. No. 150. Yes. Now we must put the ingredients up, of course. Then you add a little water, of course, to make it a little healthy. Yes. Masterpiece so far. And then you get a nice simple spoon. And stir it up. Now, oh yeah, we put it in the microwave. This is gonna be so funny when you see the look on your face when it's out. No. Well, first of all, you put it in the microwave. Set it for 5 seconds. Wait 5 seconds for it to be. Oh, it's done. It's through. Oh, looky there. Nachos! But you had a tartar sauce and chocolate and lemon Houston. Oh, I give up. So, see us next week on Cooking with Peter. Bye. Oh, well, let's just eat the nachos. Oh, yeah, These are really good. Try them sometime. Really, you should. So, yeah, bye. This is Alex number 1. Yeah. It's like 10:48 p.m. Bye. Sorry, people. This video camera won't stop. Stop.